What is a manometer? Manometer is a device used to measure the pressure of a fluid. So you can see here in this figure, this is an inverted U-tube manometer connected to a vessel. So this is the vessel here. You can see the pressure here is changing continuously. It is changing from atmospheric pressure to vacuum pressure, and then to gauge pressure, and then to atmospheric pressure. You can see that when there is vacuum pressure, the liquid in the left column rises up. And when there is gauge pressure, liquid in the right column rises up. And in the atmospheric pressure, you can see the liquid column on both limbs will be same. So this variation in height, by measuring this height h, you can measure the pressure inside this vessel. So this formula is used to measure the pressure. So if you can measure h, then you can find out the pressure. So how will you measure the pressure? See, here you can see a inverted U-tube manometer. And on the left side, you need to measure the pressure. Here this is the pressure you need to measure. You can see that at position 1, so here this is a pressure P which needs to be measured. And at position 2, you can see that if you draw a horizontal line at this interface, that is 1, 2, this is a liquid here. This is a liquid. So at a horizontal level, the pressure acting on the fluid will be same at these 2 points because the height is same. We have seen that in hydrostatic pressure. So in hydrostatic pressure, you can see that when you draw a horizontal line, the pressure at all the points will be same. It depends only on the height. So we are making use of the principle that is in the line 1, 2, the pressure will be same. So what will be the pressure acting at 2, that is P2? And what is the pressure acting at P1? Both will be equal, that is P1 will be equal to P2. So you can see that on the right side, P2 will be equal to, so this pressure will be equal to, on the top you have atmospheric pressure acting, and there is a pressure due to hydrostatic pressure due to this liquid column is also acting here at this point. So P2 will be equal to P atmosphere plus rho GH. And what will be P1? P1 will be equal to P, this pressure, because there is no liquid here. So it is, since there is no liquid here, so this P will be equal to the pressure here. So P1 is equal to P. So if we equate these two, you will get this equation. So let us see an application of a U-tube manometer for measuring the pressure difference between pressure in a fluid flow. So you can see that this is the inverted U-tube manometer here. This is the inverted U-tube manometer. You can see that there is a small change in shape here. It is inclined here. There is a slight inclination there. And how will you measure the pressure? You need to find the pressure difference between 1 and 2. That is P1 minus P2. For this, I told you we will first find the interface. Lowest interface. So here there is an interface between two liquid. So here there is a liquid with a density ρ2, and here inside there is a liquid with ρ1. This is also ρ1. So we will find an interface between the two liquid and the lowest interface. So this is the lowest interface. So then we will find out the pressure acting here and also the pressure acting here. Both will be equal. We have seen that because the liquid is at the same height. So the pressure at both this position will be same. So that PA is equal to P1 plus rho 1 G into A plus H. This is the hydrostatic pressure. And this is the fluid pressure acting here, and the hydrostatic pressure is solely due to the height only. See, there is no effect of this inclination here, only the height is considered. This height is equal to A plus H. So rho 1 G into A plus H. And what is PB? PB is equal to P2 plus rho 1 G into A plus rho 2 G into H. See, P2 is the pressure here. This is the pressure here, P2. And there is a liquid column here. This exerts a pressure that is equal to rho 1 G into A. And here also there is a pressure that is equal to rho 2 G into H. So together this is the hydrostatic pressure. Since both are equal, PA is equal to PB. Both are equal, PA is equal to PB. So you can write P1 plus rho 1 G into A plus H is equal to P2 plus rho 1 G A plus rho 2 G into H. So P1 minus P2 will be equal to rho 1 minus rho 2 into G into H. This is how you calculate the pressure difference in a pipe using a U-tube manometer. Remember that there is no effect of inclination in the values.